afternoon. So welcome to the Microchip booth. We have a demo here which is part of our networking and connectivity solutions business unit, specifically related to PCIe Express. So what we have here on our demo is a PCI enabled time synchronization. So why is that important? We've got two boards, two PCs. Most importantly, we have a live camera stream, which you see on this image here. So, why is that important? The live camera stream is coming into our PC here, and via PCI Express, that image is being compressed and taken onto Bridgeport. Bridgeport is one of our peripheral expansion products. We have quite a large family. This is the kind of mothership product here, so it goes from PCI Express to multiple endpoints, Ethernet, USB, SPI and UART. But this board here is taking the PCI Express data stream, putting it out on gigabit Ethernet and taking it across to the same board here, and then condensing it back through this other PC. And this other PC is now put in this video stream here. So why is that important? You can see that there's basically no delay between these two images. There is a slight delay, nanoseconds, but you can't actually pick that up with the human eye. So where would this be used? What applications? Of course, we're seeing a lot of need in factory automation, industrial automation for very accurate timing. Yes, of course, you can put your timing across your Ethernet network, but you still need to decompress and compress that back into your PCI, to your PC. And with Bridgeport, you can actually use precision time measurement to achieve that, which is a very unique feature which Microchip is very proud to present today on our booth. So factory automation, video transport, accurate timing, industrial automation, and even AI applications use this. But we have a very special feature here which is kind of beating the market from a competitive perspective. So if you want to know more about the demo, come and visit us, or come and visit our partners at Future Electronics, and you can find out more about it.